Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Sanjay Kumar Suryavanshi and my today's topic is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate are formally known as saccharide and the main function is to supply the cells with the instant energy. Then they are the most abundant organic molecule in nature and the functions is precursor for many organic compounds and present as a structural components like cellulose in plant and the exoskeleton of the some insect. The carbohydrates are the macronutrient and are the one of the three main ways by which our body obtains its the energy, and this called as carbohydrates. It is found in the grain, vegetables, fruits, milks, and other dairy products. The general formula is Cn in bracket H2O bracket complete N. Then the classification of the carbohydrates. There are two types: single carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. In simple carbohydrate, they are also divided into two types: monosaccharide and disaccharide. In monosaccharide, glucose, fructose and galactose are present, and in disaccharide, maltose, lactose and the sucrose are involved. Then in complex carbohydrates, there are polysaccharides and it involves starch, fibrose and the glycogen. Then the monosaccharide, the composition of monosaccharide is it is a single sugar molecule and the solubility is water soluble. Taste is sweet and the sugar is reducing sugar, and the structure is a simple ring and the branching is a unbranched structure. Then this disaccharide, the composition is the 2 units of the monosaccharide and it is an water soluble and sweet taste, and the some are reducing the sugar, and there are 2 rings are present in structure, and the branching is a branched or the unbranched structure. Then polysaccharide, number of units of the monosaccharides and it is an water soluble and not a sweet and non-reducing carbohydrates. The large number of monomers are present and the number of rings are present in the structures, and it is a branch structure. The functions of carbohydrates: it involves the fat metabolism and the prevent ketosis. They inhibit the breakdown of the protein for the energy as they are a primary source of the energy. An enzyme by namely amylase assists in a breakdown of starch into the glucose finally to produce energy for the metabolism. The treatment of the carbohydrate deficiencies are the hydrotherapy, Chinese traditional herbal medicines, homeopathy, juice therapy and the aromatherapy. Then the sources of the carbohydrates are vegetables, sweet potatoes, fruits, grains, bread, beans and the popcorns, and also milk, cookies and the soft drinks. Thank you everyone.